So can you tell me like what the private fund advisory group is? Like within Lazard, what did that group do, or what was the job?
Yeah, so they're a placement agent, so that's what people would refer to them as, and that's kind of the broad industry. And so, most all of the big banks have placement agent groups within them. There's also a lot of other, boutique independent placement agents, and what they do is they help private equity firms and real estate and infrastructure firms and credit firms like raise money. Those just called private equity firms generally, they need to go out and raise money every few years or more frequently. And so, a lot of times they have in-house people like myself. And it used to be, 10 years ago, most firms didn't have as many in-house people. And so they relied more on outside placement agents to go out and help them raise money.
There's some independent placement agents, right, that are pretty large, correct? That like specialize in only in this. And I didn't realize that individual banks also have arms. So like at Lazard, can you give us a sense of how big that team is? Is it like 5 people? Is it 20, 100?
No, I mean, when I was there, it was 30 people. I think it's now like 70 people or something.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So it's pretty big.
So UBS, Credit Suisse, like all the big banks have those groups, and they're all large and
I told you I didn't know anything about this space. That's good.
Yeah,